Hey guys, welcome back to Postcards Texas. This is Hannah, and and I'm going to be talking about my review on the app Quizlet. So come and join us. So this is the #1 app that I use to study Japanese. So yeah, I've tried all the normal language learning apps like Duolingo, all those good stuff. Duolingo, Memrise, what's the other one? But yeah, to me it doesn't really help as much because it kind of gives you multiple choice, so you're not really thinking off the top of your head to learn like the vocabulary and stuff. So because it's more, you're getting like taking it in more than putting out. So this app pretty much helps you like with learning like vocabulary and stuff like that. That's mostly what I use it for. So yeah, this Quizlet app is actually an app that is kind of similar to Anki app, and where people will create their own vocabulary and then it turns it into like mix and match, what else, fill in the blank and things like that. So so I think it's a lot better than the other apps. So yeah. So when I go into the Quizlet app, I can actually search for like, okay, I have this Genki book. This one, it actually has a vocabulary that matches each chapter, so I can go in and say Genki lesson 4 and then say verbs, and then it'll list all the verbs, and then I can just that way it kind of goes hand in hand with my language book, which is really cool. I think you can do it with other languages too, and other books that are similar, that are really popular, things like that. They do matching, flashcards, tests, and to write and type in the language. So like for Japanese, you have the Japanese language keyboard, so you're learning to recognize the words or the characters, and it helps with that too, so that's really cool. So I'll go into my Quizlet app here. Alright, so let's go home. So what you can do, you go to search, and let's say you search for Genki lesson 4 verbs. Alright, so you can go here, and it'll have like all these different things. You can have like little pictures with the vocabulary cards to help you remember, and then you can click show you, yeah, and then but yeah, you can go study the set, and you go learn, flashcards, write, match, test. So you go learn, and then it'll give you in Japanese, and then you have to choose which one it is, and then it'll just keep repeating and repeating until you have figured out which one it is. That's take a picture. Yeah, so on. Yeah. And then Flashcards, you just, if you know it, you go this way. So if you know it, you go this way. If you want to study it again, you go that way. So you can keep like a little queue of the things that you know. And then to write, person is whatever. And then you can type in Japanese and stuff is really cool. Or use the other Japanese ones where you type in Romanji letters and it types in Japanese for you, like that. But either one works. Okay, and then go to matching, and you play a game. I'm not even, I'm not even trying. I forgot these already. So if it's right, it'll do that. If it's not right, it goes red. So yeah. Then you can also do test, and then you choose like the options for the test. So how many questions? If you want instant evaluation, the answer with Japanese and English. True or false, multiple choice, written. But yeah. So this is total. That was to take a picture, right? So take, I can't spell. Take a picture. Yeah, and so on and so on. But yeah, that's pretty much how you work this Quizlet thing. They have classes, so you can have lessons through these classes, and people will join the classes, and they also have where you can talk to different users and stuff, and it's like, yeah, so I think it's a really good app to help you with memorization and things like that. So yeah, like when I first started learning like the katakana and hiragana characters, it was really helpful because like these, it will show you like the mnemonics and stuff, and it was a lot easier to remember. So yeah, and that's pretty much my spiel. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give Quizlet a look. I mean, it's pretty much a well-rounded app. So yeah, I recommend this one at the top of my list, and